Got a wedge style top by ARE. It's an Impulse series. Uh, it fits the 97-03 F-150 short bed, 6.5 foot bed. It's got a half side sliders in the side. It's got some scratches. Pretty much a lot of scratches and scuffs kind of all over this top. Through here, here. Top's not too bad. Got some scratches there. Some right there. Got some scratches and scuffs over here on the top edge there. A couple small scratches right in through there. Got some scratches on the bottom edge. A couple scuffs right there, some chips. A couple more chips through that edge. A little bit of dirt there. And then there. Got a picture window in the front. Got some scratches on the front edge there. Also down through here, some right there. Got some scratches there, there. A couple right there. Got right there's a couple more. Picture windows solid, looks good there. This side don't look too awful bad. Nothing I can see up here. We got going on there. Got a couple scratches there on the back, right there. Small little scuffs there. That's stuff there would buff out. Got a scratch right there, runs down. Runs down through there. Looks more like a scuff than anything, actually. A little bit of paint chip there. A couple chips right there. This side's not really bad, actually. The other side was worse. Half side sliders on this side as well. Inside, bare fiberglass. Screens are in good shape. No holes in the screens. Oh, small hole right there. Doesn't look like front window leaks. Oh, maybe a little bit there on the bottom. A little bit of telltale stains there. Possible leak down there in the front corner on this one here. It's really kind of hard to tell on this one. Doesn't look too awful bad. Screens on this side are good. If it does leak, it's the foam tape that goes behind those windows and seals that back off again. We keep that in stock. And you always pick that up from us off of our website or at the store to reseal those windows. Small hole right there. It's got the locking T-handle rear door, single T-handle rear door. So there it is. Wedge model top. Fits the 97-03 Ford F-150 with a short bed, 6.5 foot bed. It's ARE model. If you need any more information on the top, you can click the link below to our website or the link specifically to the product for more information on this specific cap or pricing and location on this top. Thanks for watching.